Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Looks like the stylist is doing a bob for the first one. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous. She got a nice classic bob style here with the center part down the middle. And then we hop right into the next one. So she is going to be getting a bob for this one as well, complete with some baby bangs. Very cute. This looks like something you would see on like a high fashion runway. Gorgeous. Then we have a trendy short bowl cut style. I love her copper hair color here. So pretty. She also has this look paired with a red lip. Oh, the stylist has a bowl cut shape too. Look at that. Did you guys see that? Twinning. So it looks like she has more than one stylist cutting her hair here. So for the next one, the stylist is doing the brushed highlight technique, adding in some layers, curtain bangs. Oh, very nice. Absolutely beautiful. And the way that he did the highlights looks so natural. Then we have another long to bob transformation. Looks like she got some color here as well. Cute little jaw length style bob. Color looks gorgeous. Here we have someone with mid-length hair. She gets some color here as well. There is the before and there is the after. Beautiful blonde makeover. I like how she has the darker roots going there at the top to really blend in the colors together. And the color also has a really nice dimension to it as well. So moving on to the next one. Looks like she wants a pixie here. The stylist places the hair into some ponytails, begins to chop. This pixie is going to have some bangs with it. Looks like it's actually more of like the longer pixie variety. I think it's super cute so far. A little bit of a tail going there in the back. Here we have someone with mid-length hair. It's like the stylist is cutting some layers. Very nice. Nice, simple, chic look with the curtain bangs. Here we have someone with hair just below their shoulders. She gets a bob. Looks like she got some color too, like the cowboy copper color mixed in. Ooh, oh my goodness, wow. Absolutely stunning bob with the bangs, and the color looks unreal. All right, you guys, thank you so much for checking out another transformation video. If you enjoyed this one, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.